Okay friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to record your voiceover in DaVinci Resolve. I'm using Fine mic and also my graphics card is GTX 1650. So I am recording with that, and I can use my RTX Voice software for reducing background noises. So here you can see this is my DaVinci Resolve page, and I'm selecting for my voiceover on audio track 2. Okay, and simply I go to far right page, then go to this area. You can see here there is audio track 1 2. There is, you can see there is no input. Click here, select input, then you can see here available mics is here. I'm selecting this one, RTX voice, then just click here patch. Then we have successfully patched that. Then we can select for arm for record. So now DaVinci Resolve now record voice on this track. Then we can click here to record, and this one for stop. Also click here to stop. Okay, so we are just recording our sound. Hello friends, this is test voice recording from my RTX voice using background noise removal, and I'm using a mic for Fine. Okay, thank you. So you can see here a recording voice is recorded. We're just playing. Hello friends, this is test voice recording from my RTX voice using background noise removal, and I'm using a mic for Fine. Okay, thank you. So in this way you can simply record any voice for your video. That's it, very good. And there is my fan is rotating, but I'm using RTX voice software, so you can see here I'm selecting my microphone for this, so I can easily remove background noises. So that's guys, very simple video. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.